Olwena makhaya, welcome to Sporting Culture. Igama lami kuBhunguluthu Simama aka umqeqeshi. Ngiyabona uTamzi namhlanje. Tamzi,
Sure.
besibukele iMagesi against the Kaizer Chiefs. 5-goal thriller. Ukubona njani umdlalo?
Yeah, thriller.
Ezininzi kakhulu Tamzi yo.
Yeah, ingaqhelekanga goals ezingako. Umdlalo khangusinike match but usinike goals of which goals ke siyazi appreciate singababukeli bebhola sizi football lovers. Siyayithanda igame ene goals kuyo, yabo. But bekuthe cwaka, yabo, up until the first goal. Bekuthe cwaka, and even after bekumane ngothi cwaka, yabo. Ikhona chance earlier ifunyanwa ngumdu, yabo, a bit outside the box, ulindele uba uzayikhela, yabo, but instead wangqutya kwa ezopali, yabo. Of which position apho you feel like umjita ngenze ngcono pha, yabo. But ke going into la goal yokuqala because bekuthe cwaka up until the first goal, yabo, it's a striker's goal. It's a striker's goal. Ability your receiver with umqolo against apho ibhola ofuneka iye khona, yabo, ureceive and then you turn, yabo. You play knowing by impondo ziphi, goal post yazazi ziphi, even though uzinikele umqolo. Very powerful, smart play from Da Silva. Ability to receive and turn as a snapshot and be on target and ibe yi-goal, yabo. Ndiyayincoma bendingayilindelanga kuwe laa nto. Bendingayilindelanga laa nto. It's funny ke ngokuba ndizawuthi bendingayilindelanga kuyo at that level, yabo. But uyasibonisa uba laa ability unayo, yabo, because all along ndimjonga njengeplayer uba khanimnike nentloko, yabo, because umnika ezinyaweni uyitrepela kude, yabo. So it was nice to see la move that resulted to a goal assisted by Ulilepo, yabo. Going into a goal yesibini, it speaks to a communication yeMagesi. Very bad, very poor. You have three players, let's set piece. Three players as a Magesi. Bonge, they are competing for the ball one. And to add, there's uKeeper ngowesine kwezi bantu babalayo, yabo, ngowesine. You don't know uba i-communication ibisithini, uyikhwazile wathi keeper's ball or my ball or njalo njalo, yabo. But bayabonke for la bhola, it falls behind them and then very clean from Uduba. Very clean. Uduba uyavela. Yabo, Uduba uyavela kancinci, yabo. The more efumana i-game time uyavela kancinci, yabo. And then it was also nice seeing uShabalala escore, yabo. Umjita has been grinding, yabo. He's been getting extra workouts, yabo, to work on finishing yakhe, yabo. And lo goal yakhe is a second half with substitutions that saw uFrosler coming in. Siqala umbona emveni kwexesha elide, yabo. And then ethi gqi ufika ne-assist ezimbini. That was nice to see him fresh from a bench, yabo, and contributing positively to a game, yabo. And then, he runs to the byline, clean cut back, umdu calm, receives on left, beka on right, yabo, through phansi kwenyawo zeplayer, and then it was, yabo, 3. It was 3. So fumaniseka uba now ilantuka nayo is showing glimpses here and there, especially upper first half ngoku ibiqala. Benayo into engathi iyasibonisa iMagesi uba I can actually play, I can actually fight, yabo. But iphinde vele loo nto leyo inyamalale, yabo. Now i-equalizer or rather i-consolation goal yabo very similar to into eyenziwe nguSibanyoni first half. uSibanyoni gets a ball eboxini, actually iyaqhuma, uyayihead ibhola. Lo mjita uMcCarthy une-problem ne-set piece, yabo. He doesn't jump and compete sometimes, and one of those times leli xesha sibona uSibanyoni jumping up to head ibhola nangu akaxhumanga naye. uSibanyoni yayihead ibhola to the ground, unfortunately iqabela ngapha kwebhali. Yabo, now same ball, different player. Kwelinye icala ke ngoku le equalizer, player jumps, has the ball to the ground, but now inyuka nenet. Yabo, uMayo is caught napping because uMayo ba lela umntana. Yabo, is caught napping ba. Yabo, doesn't do anything but ukhona ba. Someone comes through, late run, heads the ball, 3-1, consolation goal. Yabo, now if uyaqaphela la goal izenjani le Magesi, it's through as substitutions
sika coach.
Yabo, sika coach, as players that ndithi zicontributile positive, but also zibenayo into eza nala goal, because uFrosler makes a silly foul, yayigrabha le out ibikhangela ukwetouch, yayigrabha le out yawo umshito, because kakade befuna uwina laa nto. Yabo, befuna uwina laa nto knowing into ubana i-strength sabo zi-set piece. Yabo, out falls, Frosler should have gotten a card, but got away with it. Yabo, set piece is taken, kubani lo uleleyo pha nguMayo. So you have as subs zi-2. Yabo, lady ziza nalelanduka ye Magesi. Yabo, ulanduka gets a chance, uMayo, volley balloons it out of ibala straight to the grandstand. Yabo, I was worried, I was worried nguMayo. Yabo, because akakabi nguye la mntu simaziyo. Yabo, akakabi la player siyaziyo. Yabo, so I'm worried out. But in the end, uFrosler again makes up for la foul, puts in a cross and ice, jumps ulanduka uMayo, scores a clean head. Yabo, and he fought because baxhume bebabini ba, but he jumped higher, wathola by head. Yabo, and I was really relieved for yena uMayo, because it's a pressure for ukudlalela Chiefs, ne? It's a big team. Now i-pressure yakhe idouble, ifana neka Aiden McCarthy. Tatakho umdlala ba. Utatakho was a good player. Yabo, performed as a forward and as a defender. Excelled uPrapet. Yabo, excelled Grootman. Now i-pressure yakhe ndiyayifila, it's different, it's double than umntu that just plays for iChiefs, engena family that has played for iChiefs before. Yabo, so I was relieved for yena. Hopefully ke ngoku he'll find his feet, uzaba more confident. Yabo, uzawuba ngulamayo simaziyo. Yabo, so yeah man, it was like good to see goals. It was good to see goals, and congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs, because win were 5, ne?
Yeah, in a row.
Win were 5 in a row. Into endiva kuthiwa yagqityelwa around 2019-2020 season. Yabo, so it was good to see goals, but I wish like his style of play could be better. Yabo. But story for another.
No, in terms of ilanduka Tamzi, yona iChiefs mhlambe kuze zibe convince fans ayo. Yabo, because esascore school, I mean there's no convince fans by yabo iChiefs yakorana. So do you think they need uqhubeka na le team bafuna ucoach omsha, or bathi make sure aba coach bazana into yabo eza convince ifans ukuthi now man we believe, because ngento ichoyo ba yes goals zikhona zininzi, but abantu uyabona ngathi abakho convince ba i-coaches zethu they are the right people to lead iKaizer Chiefs.
No, zafumaniseka most fans says ba abantu bakwi-position ngoku into bana 3 points means a lot. So bazawuba bambalwa abantu abazobe bekhalazela i-style of play, especially ingu 5 wins in a row. Yabo, So I think abantu are pleased, fans the Chiefs, they are happy. Sayibona into ezithethayo ku Facebook. Sizijongile bani onwabile. So yeah man, like they have funeke batshintshe yabo. I think umbuzo wakubusitsho ba.
Coaches, yeah.
But yeah, Chiefs need proper coaches, coaches that need ilanduka, that know head coaching position.
Yeah.
Not abantu abapha as assistants.
Okay.
Now banikwe bamabaqhube bobabini. Yabo, you need umntu oqhele uyibamba ngokwakhe ijoko. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's a story for another day times both. Benifuna ukubuza ba yeah, ubona bani wena but ke that is us ku Sporting Culture. Enkosi, subscribe and follow us ku platforms zonke. Peace.